Are you in a quandary like me, trying to think of that perfect gift to give your mother on Mother's Day? Do you want your gift to say how much you love her and how special she is to you? Well, I have the answer for you. Say it with a gift certificate for any service to her vehicle. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble Auto Service Center. This gift will say, Mom, I want you to be safe on the road. Mom, I don't want you to break down because being stuck on the side of the road is not what I want for you. Or Mom, take care of yourself by taking care of your vehicle. And Mom, I want your vehicle to be reliable just as I always can rely on you. All this love can be said with an automotive gift certificate. Wow, what a great idea.
Great idea?
Oh, Grant, hi.
So these flowers aren't a great idea?
Well,
You mean the chocolate and the dinners aren't a great idea? Celebrating you all day is not a great idea? This is a great idea?
all right.
Well, I mean, we do both.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Grant, because truly, you have some really good ideas. Oh, thank
Happy
you.
Mother's Day. Mwah.
I love it. Well, thank you for watching. And remember, check us out every Wednesday at 12:30.
Every Wednesday.
Why, Grant? What happens then?
New videos!
And Grant, give us some of our other topics that we have done. Come on,
Well,
Grant.
you know, I love, my favorite one was the Christmas video. But we also have videos on checking out your oil. We have videos about warranties. We have videos about every little topic you can think of. And if we don't have it, she'll make it.
Great idea.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Oh, thank you, hon. I love you. Bye.